if you're not taking your money and putting it somewhere where it's going to make more money for you, instead spend it at your will whenever you feel like it, that's suicide. You're supposed to make money and use your money to make more money. Not because if you're spending it out everywhere, this is a matter of time before you're going to hit the wall. That's just been my experience. But now that I understand it, I now take my money and put it somewhere so that it can make more money. Simple math. You got to stay ahead